Hey guys! What's up? Today we learn how to integrate Firebase Analytics in Android application. So let's start. Before start we have to make sure that you are logged in your Gmail account. Here is the web browser and I am typing Firebase console. Now click the Firebase console. Let's create a project by clicking Add Project button. Now type your project name and continue. You can also configure the Google Analytics for your app at same time. Just make sure the Google Analytics project button is enabled and press Continue button. Click the check boxes and then click the Create Project button. It's take few seconds as the project is creating. So this is the Firebase console where you have to register your app. At this stage you should write your project package name then give an app name which is optional. Finally click the Register App button. Now download Google Service.json file and paste it in your project app module. Next steps are so easy, just you have to copy and paste the libraries in Gradle file. Open your project level build.gradle and paste the dependencies. After that sync the project. Last but not the least, copy those libraries and plug in and paste it in your app level build.gradle file. Again sync the project. Now you have to run your app. Verify the install, but you can skip the step by clicking the skip button. Here is the analytic dashboard where you can see the analytics of your app. Let's go to your Android project and run the app. Again open your browser and reload the page. At that moment you will see the Firebase Analytics data. You can also view the Google Analytics which is added to Firebase. Thanks for watching. If you have any query please comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.